Good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog, and a vlog indeed. We haven't done one of these for quite some time, just been busy with a lot of these install videos, so it's good to just kind of sit back and relax a little bit. Now I do have a couple of little quality of life updates for the BRZ a little bit later on in the video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But this morning, Alicia and she's chauffeuring me today. I'm a little bit scared to drive my car into Noosa, but we are going to get some breakfast, have some coffee, and go for a little walk because it is an absolute lovely day today. Oh, look at that, lovely blue skies. So that's what we're going to do this morning. Enjoy that little montage before we get stuck into a few things. And as always, guys, make sure you please consider subscribing. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers, which is awesome. Nice little milestone. And like the video. That's all I can really say. So thanks, boys, and I will see you in a bit. All right, we are going to go to the post office. We've got a little package to deliver to the giveaway winner for the 21 overlays, rear tail lights, and all those sorts of little bits and pieces. So shout out to 21 overlays for being able to give us these overlays so we can give them to one of you guys. So we're just gonna head down to the post office and we're gonna ship it out. There's the post office down there. I always park my car up the back here because I'm not getting my door dinged by some muppet that's going shopping. So, all right, let's go give this package to our lucky winner. All right, that one's all done, getting ready to be shipped off to Victoria. So thank you very much to everyone that entered the giveaway. This one's going off to Justin, who won. So thank you very much for watching, Justin. Appreciate the support on the channel, and I hope you enjoy the overlays, mate. Make sure you send me a photo once you put them on. Let's get on with the vlog. All right, fellas, we're back from our lovely walk, and I wanted to do a little bit of an update video from one of my previous videos where we installed a wireless adapter for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, I've been using this AI box light that got sent to me from One Car Stereo for a couple of weeks now. And I just wanted to give you my final thoughts on the product. The thing that I have been having trouble with lately is it randomly disconnecting. So even though I've got it plugged in through the USB and the USB-C onto the device, I'm not touching it. I do get some random disconnects every now and then, which is annoying because once you disconnect it, it takes a while for it to reconnect. And if you're like mid-song, you know, you might be jamming out mid-song and it's just super annoying. Now, I can't say for sure whether or not it's the BRZ or it's the device itself. I don't know. And so that is just something to consider before you buy, because it is, you know, a fairly pricey little object. So I'm going to keep using this for a bit, and I will see if the problem goes away and update you guys. But yeah, just something to consider before you buy. Now, I've been wanting to get a phone holder for a little while for the BRZ. My phone just basically sits on the seat next to me, and obviously, you know, I like to make calls, I like to know what's going on, and yeah, you really need to have a phone holder if you're in Australia. Otherwise, it's a big fine from touching your phone. Huge fine, almost loss of license. It's really big here. You pretty much go to jail. So I've been looking for a phone mount, and I had a few options, so let's go through it. So, had a few options in regards to a phone mount. Now, I initially was thinking, yeah, this will be great. I'm going to mount the phone up where the screen is, so have it kind of in the corner of the screen up over here. But I wasn't really happy with that because I think it would have kind of disrupted my view. You know, being quite a small car, I kind of want to see like that point where the A-pillar is, especially if like you're going around a corner or a roundabout, you kind of want to know where the front of your car is. And I think having the phone just chilling there, up there would disrupt my view. All right, so come to the conclusion that pretty much want to stick a phone holder somewhere using 3M tape and then hold my phone there. And the spot I was particularly thinking was just kind of over here. So if you can imagine, you know, here's the radio. If I could somehow mount my phone like there, then perhaps that would be the ideal spot. So that's what I was thinking. So what I did is I did some research. I found the guys at Quadlock. Okay, so if you don't know what Quadlock is, they're a company where you buy the phone case, and the phone case can then click into these phone holders. So what did we buy? Well, obviously we got the phone case. This is not the MagSafe one. My phone was too old for it, so I had to get the OG. But just, you know, basic black case for the Pixel. Also got this adhesive car mount. So, you know, as I said before, we've got 3M tape to stick it, and it kind of looks like that. It's got like a ball joint on it, so we can move that and manipulate that to a position, I guess, that we want. And we also ended up getting the wireless car charger. So it's basically an external head that you attach, and it looks like that. So you can kind of, I guess, click it in, and it allows for wireless charging. So the good thing is here that behind that glove box, there's actually a charging port. So we've got a 12-volt USB charging port as well. I actually didn't get the Quadlock one. I should have, but I thought I could get it cheaper, but turns out I can't, so just get the Quadlock one. Let's mount it up. Let's see how it looks. Okay fellas, that's what it looks like. So we've got the charging mount there, and obviously the cord goes in there, and we can tidy that up a little bit later, but I've just got that. I guess I can just leave that open for now. And yeah, we've got our case on now, so we should just be able to lock it on. So see if we can line it up. Not. You're kidding. You're joking. That's not even that sticky anymore. What? This was expensive too, because you had to buy a case and a wireless charger. That's just not sticking well at all. Alright boys, alright. We're back. The other day I cracked the shits and I stopped filming for a few days, but picked it back up today because I found a little solution for our problems with this phone mount. I got the 3M tape that I used to stick down my spoiler. If you watch that video, I just got some 3M Scotch tape. This is like the extra strong extreme stuff that you can get from Bunnings. It's about $5 for a roll, and ended up just cutting a piece of that off and just retrofitting it to the mount. And well, it's much better now, honestly. It does stay pretty firm. The only problem is I think over time it's probably going to wear it out. So if I just grab my phone right now, if I grab my phone and I pop it in there, lock it in. Oh wow, look at that. Who's this handsome man? Wow, you should go subscribe. So you can lock it in like this. This is probably the best angle that I can get. It's not too bad. I would like it facing me a little bit more, but you do have to unlock it by going clockwise again. And as you can see, like, you pretty much hit that knob if you have any more of an angle, which it is what it is. It's not ideal, but hey, I think the only thing is when you unlock it, you're putting a bit of tension on, and you can see that it kind of flexes a bit, and you just need to take it off like that. So I think over time this is probably going to peel off again.
1 week later.
You can see there starting to lift, and watch this. When I try and just take it off and unlock it with minimal force, this is what happens. Ready? So there's that movement when you go to unlock it, and it pulls towards the right there, and then this starts to lift off. Do yourself a favor and just get the vent mount or get a windscreen mount. I think I'm going to buy a vent mount, so keep you boys updated. All right, so the other thing we have here is you can see that my front number plate is quite big. It's white and maroon colored letters, and it just doesn't really look too great with the car. So we ordered some new plates, boys, and they're the same letters and numbers, but we've got a nice little slimmed down version and black and white, which I think is going to look so much better. So let's put those on the car and let's see. Oh yeah, that already looks great. Let's put them on. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Even matches really well with the badge as well, because that's black and white. So this makes that front end look so much cleaner now. Very nice. Yeah, that is so much better. Way cleaner. All right, so the final thing I wanted to do as a bit of a quality of life update is to get rid of this active sound control that comes from the engine and plays that fake noise when you put your foot on the gas. All right, fellas, so on the passenger side here, just behind this panel is where the active noise control module is, and there should just be a clip that we unplug. So let's expose that, and with a plastic trim removal tool, we should be able to take that off. Pops out like that. There we go. There it is. That's what it looks like. You just have to release it from the right side. So the clip is on that side. So it's easy if you remove this and you can get your hand in. I'm guessing it's probably the opposite if you're in America, so you probably don't need to do that. Now we just put this one back on. We can. So yeah, that's probably it for today, fellas. The next big mod that I do want to buy, though, are coilovers. I'm just trying to finalize a company that I want to go with. There's a couple of options that I have at the moment, and I just kind of want to choose what's best for our situation. So bear with me, that's going to be coming in the future, and hopefully quite soon. There'll probably be a few little videos between then and now, but also, yeah, just hope you guys are enjoying the content along for the ride. And obviously I am not made of money, so I can't just be buying mods left, right and center. Do have some adult things to do, unfortunately. Adulting sucks, man. But yes, I hope you guys are enjoying so far, and I really appreciate you guys liking the videos, commenting, and let me know if you want me to do like more vlog type things. I'd definitely be up for doing some like lifestyle kind of stuff, and I guess less focus on the car, but also trying to keep that in as well. But yeah, let me know, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so I'll see you next time. Cheers, boys.